15 members of the One Don gang have been found guilty of being members of a criminal gang. The verdicts were handed down in the Supreme Court on Wednesday. Among those who were found guilty today are Jermaine Robinson, a former JDF soldier. The court heard that the former soldier, who joined the Army in 2016, served as a guard for the criminal network. The presiding judge, in handing down his verdict, said it was clear the soldier used his training to complete the tasks asked of him by the gang. The lone female accused was also found guilty on Wednesday. The woman, Stephanie Cole Christie, was also found guilty of being a member of the criminal gang. It was found that she facilitated and participated in several activities for the gang, including trying to get Andre Blackman Bryan freed. The court was also told that she was also the gang's liaison person with the police officers. The leader of the gang, Andre Blackman Bryan, was found guilty on Tuesday. In the end, 15 persons were found guilty of being members of the One Don gang. 12 were freed. 1 died while the trial was ongoing, while another 5 had their case discharged after the court upheld no case submissions from their lawyers. Now, the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP Paula Welling, spoke with our news team after the day's proceedings at the Supreme Court.
We have to embrace the challenges and use our experience as prosecutors, our knowledge of the law, our emotional intelligence, our sense of strategy to try to put forward the best material, that which was cogent, credible, admissible, and reliable. But I have to also commend those 2 witnesses, because had we not had the courage and bravery of the police, their evidence, had we not had the evidence from the 2 cooperating witnesses, then we would not have had a case.
And we'll have more on this story in subsequent newscasts.